Dr. Geetika Tandon Kapoor has a rich experience of 22 years of teaching. She is presently a professor in the Department of Commerce, University of Lucknow. She has served at various administrative positions in the university. She is currently Deputy Director, Lucknow University Center for Online and Distance Education, LUCO, and served as Deputy Superintendent, UG and PG Evaluation Cell, University of Lucknow. She has contributed in the department as the coordinator of NAC committee, research committee and departmental alumni cell. Ma'am has also been associated with the industry as a fellow member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, New Delhi, which lends practical applications to her teaching. She is a life member of institutional bodies including Indian Accounting Association, Indian Commerce Association and Awadh Management Committee of Awadh Girls Degree College. Ma'am has also been member in the Board of Studies of Faculty of Commerce, Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh. Ma'am is a member of the editorial board of the journal Commerce and Business Studies published by Awadh Commerce and Business Association. Prabandhan Vimarsh published by MBA, Department of Commerce, University of Lucknow. And reviewer for International Resonance, Delhi College of Arts and Commerce, Journal of Interdisciplinary Studies. Under the able guidance of Ma'am, a project has been completed titled Entrepreneurship Development in Semi-Urban Areas of Uttar Pradesh with a special reference to MSME for the government of Uttar Pradesh. To her credit, Ma'am has published 6 books, 2 edited books and more than 58 papers in various Scopus Index, UGC Care and referred journals. Apart from this, Ma'am has presented 26 international and 34 national seminars and conferences and bagged the Best Paper Award in an international conference. Ma'am has successfully guided a number of PhD scholars and 33 master's dissertation students. The greatest gift an institution can offer to its participants is an opportunity to learn from an experienced scholar. Therefore, with immense pleasure, I welcome our respected speaker of the session, Dr. Geetika Tandon Kapoor, ma'am, on the dais. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Manisha, for this over-generous introduction.
आपका इतना अच्छा सीवी पढ़ने में मैं इतना मगन हो गई. I'm so sorry. I request Professor Dr. Ramkrishna Jaiswal sir to welcome ma'am with the momentum of the platform.
Thanks again to Dr. Manisha, thank you Dr. Shalini Ramrao, thank you Dr. Shivler Lily for calling me here, thank you Professor Ramkrishnan, and thank you to the college, and I hope I can do justice to the topic which has been given to me. So I'll start without much ado. So, all of you here are faculty, so all are very learned. I'm going to give you my inputs on what are the ethical and social implications of digital transformation. So you all have been learning about, I'm sure all these days you've been learning about what is happening, क्या हो रहा है, कैसे digital transformation हो रहा है. और हम जो आज बताने वाले हैं, वो 2 sectors में जो digital transformation हुआ है, that is in business and in education. How that has, or how that is not an unmixed blessing. Of course, it is taking the economy to another level. But there are lots of ethical as well as social implications of this digital transformation.
Prashant, what does it do?
I just want that everyone can hear this. So I'm sure all of you know about Jeff Bezos. He's the founder and chairman of Amazon. So what he has also said, that digital transformation is non-negotiable. Now we cannot do without this digital transformation. And any business which does not adopt it is likely to fail. I think all of us will see how digital transformation is transforming business. So he was right, he caught it on, बहुत पहले से ही उन्होंने शुरू कर दिया था और इसलिए Amazon इस समय जो है one of the leading, digitally leading e-commerce company है. The other is Aaron Levy, he was the co-founder, he is the co-founder of Vox. He also has emphasized that the last 10 years of IT, जो IT का explosion हुआ है, जो पिछले 10 साल में हम लोगों ने कैसे काम करना है, people ने सीखा. But अब जो है, how business is going to be transformed, वो अगले 10 साल की बात कर रहे हैं. What do we mean by digital transformation? I'm sure आप लोग पढ़ चुके हैं, but just to recap again, and I don't want to be repetitive, is that there is a redesign of organizations to create and deliver value. ये business का काम ही है, creation और delivering value, but इसको कैसे redesign किया गया है, वो ही digital transformation है. और जहाँ पर technology, people and process and purpose, तीनों चीज़ों को लेके ही डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है. टेक्नोलॉजी में आपका AI, क्लाउड एंड ऑटोमेशन हो गया. पीपल में कैसे हम लोग काम करते हैं या कैसे पढ़ाते हैं और कैसे डिसीजन मेकिंग होता है, प्रोसेस एंड पर्पस, क्यों हम लोग ऐसा कर रहे हैं, सो दैट देयर इज मोर एफिशिएंसी, वी मूव फास्टर. इन तीनों को कंबाइन जब करते हैं, क्योंकि ये ह्यूमन लाइव्स को टच कर रहा है, डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज नॉट हैपनिंग विदाउट ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशंस. तो क्योंकि ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशंस हैं तो एथिक्स डेफिनेटली आएगा. सो एथिक फॉलोज wherever it touches human lives. So digital transformation is touching human lives, so therefore it is very important to study how ethical we are while we are digitally transforming. I'll not go through this because we have time limitations. This is a definition given in 2018 by Professor Bob Hennings. And as you can see, digital transformation is nothing, but there is several digital innovations which are happening, जिसकी वजह से business करने का तरीका बदल रहा है, जिसकी वजह से organizations में ecosystems बदल रहे हैं और इंडस्ट्रियल फील्ड्स हर जगह. ये बात तो सही है कि एफिशिएंसी बढ़ रही है, ग्रोथ बढ़ रही है, बट उसके साथ साथ कुछ एथिकल कंसर्न्स हैं. वो है प्राइवेसी. अभी हम लोग आगे स्लाइड्स में देखेंगे कि हाउ प्राइवेसी इज अफेक्टेड बाय डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. देन बायस है, एआई का बायस कैसा है. सोशल चैलेंजेस जो आ रहे हैं वो हैं, आप लोग सब फील भी कर रहे होंगे, जॉब डिस्प्लेसमेंट, misinformation and mental health. Just a few statistics very fast. Now, around 600 crore people are online worldwide. That means 3 out of every 4 humans are digitally connected. Then 90